Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. I want to show you guys real quick how to export your leads out of the Instacash Solutions back office, how to take those phone numbers, export them out, and import them into the SMS Lead Network system. And I'm also going to show you how to do it from the 800 link system as well. Okay, so hang on one second. Let's go right over there. Bear with me here. Okay, we're going to do this step by step because I don't want to reveal information. So I'm in my back office of the Instacash solution. Okay, then we're going to go to View Contacts. Okay. Okay, and once you click on View Contacts, right here in the corner, guys, right here in the corner, hold on. Hold on one second. I want to show you. See right here in your right hand corner it says CSV. If you click that, it will automatically download all your leads from your back office. Okay, so it's now in a CSV file. Okay, so what do we do with that once we download it? Let me show you how we go over to SMS Lead Network and we will import them over there. Okay, hang on. Okay, so we're now in my back office for SMS Lead Network. What you'll do is you go to the left hand side and see right here it says, okay? So if you click Import Contacts, I'm going to show you right here, okay? So what you would do is you click this and the leads would have been saved on your computer, okay? So all you do is click there and you import them in, okay? That's it, and click Upload. Find them on your computer by clicking this green button, green area, then click Upload, okay, and upload them there, and then you go here and you broadcast them and send them a message. That's how you're going to do that. Now let me also show you how you can do the same thing from your 800 link account, okay? Hang on. Okay, we're in the back office of my 800 link account. Okay, as you can see right here, I have this covered over my numbers because I don't want those numbers exposed. Okay, right here in the left-hand corner it says I've received 252 calls, guys. Okay, since I started this, even with the other program, with copy and paste ads, I started using my 800 link number in my ads. Okay, it has a message on it telling people to leave their name, phone number, and email. Every time they call my number, it's reported. It's going to automatically, I'm going to have it regardless whether they think they're leaving it or not. Okay, so I pulled a report. You can log into your 800 link account under reports, click load. You see at the top it says load and export. Once you click export, it's going to automatically export them, download them all into a spreadsheet just like we just did with the other one from Instacash Solution, okay, and then you can take that file and go and log into SMS Lead Network and upload that one the same way. These are all leads. They're your leads. They're your phone numbers because you placed an ad and people gave you permission. They left their name, they left their phone number, or they called your number. Okay, so every time they call your 800 link number, whether it's the 800 number you selected to purchase or your local number, every time they call that number, there's a report. It shows you the date, time, what state they call from, all that, guys. So all you have to do is go back there and click report and export them over. Download them. When you click export, it downloads them to a file and then upload them into the SMS Lead Network, which is a great system. Okay. Check it out at mobilemarketing.ws. So let's go back over there real quick. Okay. SMS Lead Network, guys, is a great platform. Okay. SMS texting is a business. There's companies out here that will charge you anywhere from $99 up to $300 or higher just to send a text blast for you one time. Okay. So with this, you have your own platform where you can send your own text messages in bulk, okay, from 1,000 all the way up. So you're building, think about the logic behind this. You're putting an ad out, you're putting a phone number there. They call the number. Every time they call that number, anyone, it's a report for it. You can export all those phone numbers download them into a spreadsheet. It's going to do it for you automatically, just like I showed you. Export them, then you're going to import them all over into the SMS Lead Network. You're building your own SMS list of mobile numbers from your leads, from your ads. So this is another way to do to follow up with your leads from Instant Cash Solution. Okay, so place the ads, put a phone number there, your 800 link number there, and then when they call it, you just export them, download them, and then import them over to this system. $197 one time to get this platform. Okay, it also comes with 10,000 mobile numbers. Okay, it's included. You have a whole marketing system, the capture pages, everything is included. The follow-up emails, everything you need to operate a mobile business, a mobile marketing business with text message marketing. But it's a two-part situation. I'm showing you what you can do with Instant Cash Solution by placing the ad. That gets you the lead. Once you have the lead, they go into your system with Instant Cash Solution. They put their name, phone number, email in. Okay, they've called your phone number. Now you have the phone number, and now you have that mobile number. That is a lead. That's very, very powerful. Take all those numbers from the 800 link system and from the Instant Cash Solutions back office, load them up, put them in your SMS Lead Network, and text to your leads maybe twice a week. So now you have the email follow-up from the system. You can also email blast from your back office, okay, from Instant Cash Solutions as well, okay, and you have the texting, okay, right here where you can follow up with those people, okay, by texting them. All right, so that's how that works. I've gotten calls about, well, how do I get those leads? Well, that's how you would do it, okay? If you have any questions, give me a call, but I'll put the link below for the SMS Lead Network and the Instant Cash Solution, okay? So you can go ahead and get started with me in that. If you haven't, it's as low as $129 to get started. They have the $100 level, the $200, the $300, and the $500 level, okay? All the levels only $29 admin, except the $500 level is $79. And these are one-time fees, guys, okay? So place ads and text. So you got ads, email, and texting. That's your business. Ads, email, and texting, okay? Can't get any easier than that. All right, guys, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, guys. And I will see you on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.